All my life, I have given my heart and soul to teaching.
But as retirement nears, I am filled with fear. This CPS pension system, will it truly secure my future? After decades of service, will I have to struggle in my old age? These thoughts haunt me. Dear fellow teachers, this CPS pension system leaves our lives insecure after retirement. Years of service and still, no guarantee of dignity in old age. But remember, when teachers unite, we become a force no government can ignore. This is not just about pensions, it is about respect, justice, and the future of every teacher. Let us stand together, shoulder to shoulder. Join the protest organized by PRTU TS. Raise your voice, fight for your right, and secure the tomorrow you deserve. Brothers and sisters, this is our moment. This is our fight for dignity and for justice and for a secure future. PRTU TS Mike Tadwai invites you. Join the protest. Make it successful. Let us make it a victory for every teacher in Telangana.